I never made it, but I know
Subscribe, not subscribe.
Take it to another level.
Dino Nug Pete.
Dino Nug closer.
Oh, cuz I like the Dino
I
Nug.
can understand it fully, appreciate my standing, go out of this world and ride on time.
What's up, guys? So, called me. He said there's a big bird in the house because I left the door open. So we're gonna go to the house, go try and get this bird out. I don't even know how to catch a bird in the house. Apparently he tried to scare it outside the back door, but it's not going. So I'm gonna try and throw a towel on it and then maybe a laundry basket or something. So stay tuned. Gonna drive to the house right now, then try and get this bird out of the house. All right, guys, so pulling up to the house right now. We're gonna go see if we can get this bird. Bird is the word.
Was my understanding that everyone had heard. Heard what? Ryan's out! Oh, well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird, bird, bird. A bird, a word, a Brian. Don't you know about the bird? Well, Peter's gonna tell you about the bird. A well, a bird, bird. A bird, a word, a well, a bird. Surfing.
I said a bird, bird, bird. Bird, bird's the word. Oh, I'm so pumped. Let's go see what we got. But first, let me drink a rain. Yo, D. Where's the bird?
Right when it sees you, it's gonna be like, ah.
Bro, say what's up. Say what's up for the vlog.
Ah, you ready to see a bird? It's fucking huge.
We gotta get a towel first.
Yeah. Alright, you gonna try to catch it?
Yeah. Bro, you gonna film it?
Yeah, I'm gonna film it. Wait, you wanna use this one?
Nah, I used all over.
It did? Wes is gonna. You see it?
What?
It's in the kitchen. You see it? It's huge, right? I already tried.
This all poop?
I don't know. Kaiser's like, I want a piece of that. Kaiser wants a piece of it. If you can't see it, there's a bird in the house.
Bro, if it bites.
Dude, it's so funny. He's trying to get out. That's why.
Come on.
This is the time to use that ghost gun.
I need 2 towels.
Really?
Bro, what if it bites my hand off and I get AIDS?
Call you Birdman. It's all those dino nugs, dog. Oh, shit.
Should we set him free? Come on.
Let that feel free.
Come on. Ready? Next episode, we're gonna have the original Dino Nugs, which actually got me hooked on Dino Nugs, and Steve and Dust, and now we've eaten like 6 pounds of Dino Nugs in 3 weeks. So you guys need to stay tuned, see how to make this secret sauce and just the original Dino Nug recipe. Shoots.
Oh my God, Peter, are you all right? Papa uma mau mau, 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 Papa uma mau mau.